6.4 litre Hemi 300C. So if you've been following our YouTube channel, you will know that we've been slowly getting into these engines and learning what makes them work, what doesn't make them work, and how to break them and all that sort of stuff. So this particular customer's come down from ACT to see us to get one of our cam exhaust packages. And once we got into the job, we realised there was a little bit more wrong with this car than we had thought. So we had to pull the engine out, do a little bit of extra work in the bottom end. Nothing major, just new bearings, clean up and so on. So very simple, fresh, just to freshen up in the bottom end. But the customer opted or decided while we're at it, let's put some CNC cylinder heads on it, and which we haven't done any yet, and we've been wanting to do them for quite some time. So thought, let's take the opportunity, let's do it at the same time, and let's see what results we get. And look, I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy. I'm not blown away by the results, but I'm happy. So a bit of a rundown on what we've got. So we've got the K&N intake system on there. We're using the Pacemaker Australia 4-in-1 headers into their twin 3-inch system out the back. And then we've also chosen to use the Cammotion Titan 1 camshaft. The customer didn't want anything that was over the top. He still wanted a good street mannered car, behaved at the lights, drove well, didn't lose any drivability. And we believe the Titan 1 camshaft ticks all those boxes. With the cylinder heads, the Titan 2 camshaft would probably be the better candidate. However, we had some obstacles and restraints that we had to work within, and the Titan 1 was the right camshaft for the application. Now, we have done a lot of development work on the Titan 1 camshaft, so we thought, you know what, we've got good data, let's see what the cylinder heads do. So let's have a look at where we're at. So standard form, the car's 322 kilowatts, 590 Newton meters of torque. And then after we've done the upgrades, 398 kilowatts, 669 Newton meters of torque. Now, it's made 11 kilowatts more with the cylinder heads than without. Now, doesn't seem like a lot. Some people would say it's no good. Other people would say, mate, it's free power. You take it and you run. I believe it's free power. You take it and you run, and you'd be happy with what you get, because at the end of the day, it's power that you couldn't have before. However, there are a few things that would reduce the thing or allowing it to make the power. So the Titan 1 camshaft is a little bit on the smaller side, so a Titan 2 camshaft would be better suited and would probably make more power, would probably get over the 400 kilowatts, no worries. The other thing is, we've found the throttle body and the manifold also cause or pose some small restrictions, which we've proven on other videos that we've done. So combine this camshaft with a set of cylinder heads, port out the manifold, put the bigger throttle body on there. I think it won't be too hard to make around that 405 kilowatts at the wheels, which is really nice. But it's a lot more money. By the time you do that, it adds a lot more to the bill. So the reality is, the best value for money, in my opinion, stick a Titan 1 camshaft in it, leave the head stock. You're still going to make your 380 odd sort of kilowatts at the wheels and be still a real nice, fun street car. Sounds nice, drives good, makes good power, good low down torque. I guess you go down the cylinder head path when you want to add more items, then you're not worried about spending another sort of $6,000 or $7,000 on top, because realistically, by the time you do the cylinder heads, probably not that much, sorry, you're probably looking around, I don't know, a couple grand for the cylinder heads, throttle body, porting and all that. So, you're getting up around that extra $5 grand or so on top of the build. So, look, it comes down to how far you want to go. Titan 1 camshaft, it's a winner for me. I think it works great. However, when you can make just under 400 kilowatts, and I said in a few of my other videos, I'd be disappointed if it didn't make 400 kilowatts, but I'd be happy if it was just under. Well, I'm happy and I'm cool with that, and the customer's going to be absolutely stoked with that. He's now got a fresh bottom end engine. He's got brand new cylinder heads. They're ported. Blackwell's done a great job on them. Cammotion Titan 1 camshaft, pacemaker exhaust system. Mate, it's the total package. It's got everything it needs, and these are a big car, so it's makes driving the car more pleasant and just a fun, nice street car to drive. So, and I'm looking forward to handing this one back to the customer. Been super patient with us. He's allowed us to do things how we've wanted to do it, and we are grateful for that, and we can't wait to see his response when he gets it back. So if you're watching this, mate, thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. We really do appreciate it. That's about it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching, and we will be doing more Hemi development as time goes on. I'm yet to put my car together, but that's coming soon. So there'll be a 400 cube Cherokee. That's coming soon. Hopefully this year, probably next year. Anyway, guys, catch you later. See you next time.